Bitcoin wallets. A wallet stores information like a bank vault or software. Wallets allow you to buy or sell Bitcoin because Bitcoin uses two cryptographic keys, one hidden and one public. And wallet stores those keys. There are different kinds of wallet, and we will discuss today the five most used wallets. Number one is full clients. Number two is lightweight clients. Number three is paper wallets. Four is hardware wallet. And fifth is online wallet. Now, full clients wallet. Now, full clients wallets have complete local copy of blockchain with them, and therefore they can verify them directly. What it means is, if you want a full client wallet, you would need to download the full copy of Bitcoin blockchain. And once you will download the full copy of blockchain ledger on your computer, you will be able to verify your transactions directly. As the file is really large, 110 GB plus, therefore it is not suitable for all computers. And as we know that Bitcoin is mined each and every day, so the file will become larger and larger and larger each and every day. So it's really not possible for all the computers. It needs special computers. Computers with good processing power. The number two wallet is lightweight client wallet. Now on the flip side, lightweight client wallet is really easy and fast as compared to full client wallet. Because lightweight clients consult full clients and process transaction. What it means is on the lightweight wallet, you don't have the full copy of Bitcoin blockchain. You have a limited copy. So once you verify it, you can verify it and then add that transaction to the full blockchain. So on your local hardware, you have a smaller copy than the full client. However, you need to enter the information and upload it so that it comes into the full ledger. So the only advantage is that your computer will have a smaller copy. The 110 GB, the full data won't be downloaded onto your computer. Number three is paper wallet. Bitcoin paper wallet can be generated at bitaddress.org. Through this website, you get a printable paper key QR code that can be shown and scanned for transaction. So that paper wallet is like a currency in your wallet, real life wallet. Or you can hide it in some bank or someplace with a key with yourself. That paper will have the code to be exchanged for currency. If you want to sell your Bitcoin, you will show that code. That person will use the QR scanner to scan the code, and boom, the transaction can be done. So it's like money. However, it's not placed on some place that some people can steal it. It's placed with you, and you know what this code can do. Hardware wallet. Hardware wallets are most secure wallet as it's a hardware with your Bitcoin information. However, they are really expensive. Example, Trezor.io, that is Trezor.io, offers hardware devices at 89 euros, and as per my experience, this is the cheapest one. So in it you get a hardware that contains the wallet and the key stored in it. So that piece of device will act as your personal bank. You can take it anywhere, show the code, and boom, the transaction is done and you get the money. Online wallets. Online wallets are the websites that offer you to buy or sell Bitcoin. They require you to visit the website and get the transaction done. That is, buy or sell. Example would be BTC.com, Coinbase, Expo, CoinPult, BitGo, and Green Address, etc. Thank you.